There you are.
Everything is going crazy.
Yeah. Have an outlet on the chair, on the reclining couch.
You want to have an outlet? Why?
This one has one.
Oh, it's,
She's charging her phone on it.
okay, yeah. Well, that's important. You gotta have a charger on the couch.
Ow! Ooh, I like that one. Brown leather.
Hi-yo.
Gravity. I never got what that meant. Man, $1,600 for a recliner. Here's one for $6.99. Why is it so cheap? This looks great.
Ba,
Look at
ba,
that.
ba, ba.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh. 4-day work week brings no loss of productivity. Companies and experiments say. 15-month CDs now paying 3%. Synchrony.
You. Where's Marin? Where's Marin? Where'd you go?
There's Marin.
I can't find her.
There's Marin.
There
she
she
is.
is.
There she is. There she is. There's Marin.
Where are you? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? There you are. Peekaboo.